What is up, fanatics? So today is the last day of the Aperion audio unboxings. As you can tell, we're almost done. We got right, left, subwoofer, a spot for a center channel. Now, I don't have a stand anymore, so hey, look, furniture dollies get the job. It'll get the job done for the testing. And then on the back side, we've got the bookshelves from a long time ago, and I love those so much I kept them. Have a lot of gear that comes and goes, but those I kept because I like them that much. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these two white towers out when it comes time to test, and we'll have a nice 5.1 system from Aperion Audio, the Verus 3 featuring the concert tower and the grand bookshelf and the grand center and the Bravus 12D, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited to get this going. We're gonna do two different views and angles today. I mean, this is super exciting. We are doing the crazy stuff. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get into this, but first, if you haven't, please go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel. I'm looking at 15,000 subscribers here really soon, and you could be one of those 15,000. All right, open this side first. I can follow instructions, so we're gonna do that. Now this is a, this center channel, this is their top of the line flagship center channel model, and it is a three-way design, and you'll see that here in just a minute. All right. Open. Oh, stuff comes out. All right, what do we got? I don't know what this is. Let's find out, because I've never opened up one of their center channels before. It's got to be some kind of feet though, right? It's rubbery. Maybe it's an angle foot or something. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh yeah, check it out. So I guess this will give you a little bit of, maybe you can see this. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully you can see that okay. Yeah, it gives you a little bit of angle. That's cool. They always think of the nice add-ons at Aperion. It's really cool. Also, silica, you know we love that. And the ubiquitous cleaning cloth and instructions that I will only use unless I can't figure out how to get this thing to work. And then the gloves that they don't fit me. Is that funny? I love it. Very nice though. Okay, this side open first. Maybe we can stand this on the side and pick it up. I don't know. Ooh, it's all coming out one way or another. All right. There we go. Much easier to open a center than those huge towers right there. Those things are awesome but massive. All right. Looks like we've got 4 pieces of foam, which I'm not mad about at all. Ooh. That's different. Mike Perez is calling me. Ha ha, ha ha. Later. Okay. We're going to slide these off. Actually, maybe it would be better if I flip this down. Oh, it's the same blue as before. It'll kind of stand up like this. Kind of, sort of. I wouldn't trust it though. Plastic comes off, and we have the traditional deep blue crushed velvet protection cloth. I can feel some binding posts back there. Probably also the tweeter adjustments. That is a nice gold color. And voila! This thing is just as beautiful as the other pieces. All right, so let's flip this around. Do this, okay. We'll give the camera a look here so you can see what's going on. It's heavy, but not too heavy. Ugh. And pair binding post back there. Then on the front, again, I don't know how to take the grill off of this one. There's no place to pinch. Maybe there is. Okay, you guys are gonna have to take my word for it. There's a 1-inch tweeter, a 4-inch mid-range, and two 6.5-inch mid-bass drivers here. And these drivers match the ones in the Verus 3 Grand Tower. And the mids and highs match the ones that are here in the concert tower. However, the concert tower is moved to 8s down at the bottom. But that's what's gonna be hiding in here. How's this gonna fit? Is this gonna even fit on here? Kind of. So this is what we're going to be looking like for the Verus 3 Grand Center, matched with this just amazing front sound stage for this test that we've got coming up. So thanks so much for watching this unboxing. Hopefully it's been helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next video.